In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to permanently remove a plan from your workspace. We'll go through each step together, from finding your plan to confirming the deletion. Let's start by opening the left sidebar and clicking on My Plans to see all of your available plans. You'll see a list of your plans here. Go ahead and click on the one you'd like to remove. At the top of your screen, you'll notice a drop-down arrow right next to your plan's name. Click that to open the plan menu. From this menu, select Plan Details to access the settings where you can manage this plan. Over on the right side, you'll find the option to delete this plan. Click that button to begin the deletion process. Before finalizing, you'll need to confirm by checking the agreement box, then click Delete to permanently remove the plan. Perfect! Your plan has been successfully deleted and removed from your workspace. That's all there is to it. You now know how to delete plans whenever you need to clean up your workspace. Feel free to run through this guide again anytime.